So on 4.7, we are comparing angles with sides and putting them together for pairs. Okay, and then we're determining what side's the longest or what angle's the biggest. Okay, and we're putting it in condescending or descending order. Okay, so angles from largest to smallest. So what's our largest side? 10's our largest side. So what do we think our largest angle is?
U.
Yeah, the one across. Remember that relationship? They go from across each other. So the largest angle would be U. What's the next largest side?
V.
8. So the next largest angle would be V. So what's our last angle? Our smallest angle? T.
This whole thing.
Okay. So now let's look at angles. What's my biggest angle? 86. What's the side across from 86?
37.
The side. DF. Remember, sides, we got to have 2 letters. Okay, so what's my next biggest angle?
57.
57. What's the side across? EF. What is my smallest angle?
37.
37 is across from DE or ED.
E.
Okay. I'm pretty sure on your homework it asks smallest to largest. Just FYI. Okay. Go ahead and do those next 2 slides, those bottom ones. What is my largest angle on 1?
17.
That's my largest side, so what's my largest angle? Yep, you got it. N, what's my next one? MN's my next one, so what's the angle with it?
It's L.
L. Okay, remember we're going across. So 12, what's the angle across from 12? M, good. Okay, what is my largest angle on 2? Yes, Q. What's my next one? R. P. What about number 3? U. S. T. Just remember, you're just going across. Okay, so they pair up across from each other. Okay? Okay, what about this one? What's our biggest angle? J. It's 100. So what's the side across from it? HG. What's my next longest side? JG. What's my next longest side? JH. Okay. What's my longest side on 5? DE. What's next? EF. DF. Last one here. AC. You got it. Okay, one more we got to talk about. Okay, called the triangle inequality. So what the triangle inequality says is we're trying to figure out if the sides given make a triangle or not. So let's look at A. It says we need to add the 2 smallest sides. What are my 2 smallest sides on 9? Or on A, sorry. 3 and 5. What's 3 plus 5? 8.
9.
So we get 8, but that's less than 9. We want the number to be greater than. So this one's no. So on B, what are my 2 smallest sides? 3 and 5. So add them together, what do we get? 8. But that's equal to 8. So it's no. We got to have it greater than. So what are my smallest sides on C? 5 and 3, what do we get?
Yes.
8. Is it bigger than the other side?
Yes.
Yes. So if your 2 smallest sides are bigger than your other side, if your 2 smallest sides added together are bigger than your other side, then it makes a triangle. Okay? If it's no, then it's not a triangle. Okay? Go ahead and do those last 3. It's okay. What are my smallest numbers on 7? 5 and 7. What do you get when you add those together? 12. Is that greater than 13?
No.
No, so this would be no. What are my smallest numbers on 8? 6 and 9. Add those together.
15.
You get 15. So does that work?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's bigger than 12. Okay, what are my 2 smallest numbers on 9? 10 and 15. Add those together. 25. Is that greater than 25?
No.
No, that's equal, so it has to be no. Any questions over the triangle inequality?
Nope.
Okay, you just have to make sure your two smallest sides, I'm going to use A plus B, those are your smallest sides, they have to be greater than your longest side. Okay? Any questions before I hand out your homework? Or have you work on your homework? All right.